guys, what's good? My name is Brittany and welcome back to part 2 of my Black Friday haul. So if you missed the first part, I will go ahead and link that up here. Or is it up here? I don't know. It's gonna be in one of these spots. So the first part was all the contemporary items I got, and the second part will be the luxury items that I got. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, I post videos 3 times a week on luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you like videos like this, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this little face, go ahead and subscribe. So I feel like I'm gonna save the best for last, and the best obviously is Louis Vuitton. So we'll get started with my item from Burberry. So I went to the Clear Fork Mall in Fort Worth, Texas, and I had no intention on getting anything from Burberry, but it was just there staring at me. I wanted to just go and kind of take a look at things, and lo and behold, they had a sale, and I ended up getting a because it costs a lot less than I thought it would. So this is actually a gift, so I kind of feel bad about unboxing it, but it's totally a surprise gift. It's a just for no reason gift. It's not like for a birthday or for Christmas or anything, so I don't think they'll mind if I just take a sneak peek at it and show you guys. So it's got this like really, it's like the packaging is like super like legit. I don't know, like it's sturdy and it's pretty big for the item that I got. But yeah, it's like this khaki, it kind of reminds me of like a paper lunch bag, but obviously it's definitely a lot more luxurious than that. And then it's got Burberry, ooh, it's like embossed or something, I don't know, but it just says Burberry, London, England. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it's got this really cool ribbon. They did ask me, was it for a gift? And when I said yes, I had my choice of ribbon to choose from. It was like black or blue, or I don't remember. So I'm trying to remember like what this looks like so that I can undo it. I mean, really, it's just tied. It wasn't tied like a super special way. I feel like maybe I should show this so that I can remember, I can watch this back and remember how to tie it back. All right, so this is the item. And it's got that cute little blue ribbon. So I'm just gonna slide this off. Yes, I can just slide this off. It's such a cute little ribbon. So this is the box, and it just has all the same logo and writing as the bag. Okay, so it comes in a little dust bag. The dust bag is the exact same color. It's this, like I said, like a khaki kind of color. And it says, you can barely see it, but it does say Burberry right there in like gold. And this is the item. So this is a leather, it's like a pebbled leather card case. And it says Burberry, London, England. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like embossed. So it's like a imprint, and it's got 2 slots in the front. It's got 2 slots in the back, and then, ooh, it's a really soft leather. And then you have a big pouch in the center. So the person I'm getting this for, they're not really big on luxury items. This will be replacing a Coach card holder that they already have. So just, you know, thought I'd give a little upgrade. I'm a giver. I love giving gifts. I love giving like really good gifts. Like I like giving people gifts better than like I would give myself. Like me personally, I have a Kate Spade card holder. Nothing against Kate Spade at all, but I mean, this was definitely a much higher price point. So on price, MSRP, this is $195. But I got it on sale for, I believe it was 30% off, so I got it for $120. So I felt like that wasn't a bad price for a Burberry card holder. And I feel like, I mean, this will last forever. So that's what I got from Burberry. And then what I've been waiting to unbox, I have other Louis Vuitton items, but I have not purchased anything brand spanking new from the store. So this will be my first brand new item from Louis Vuitton. And of course you have the orange box with this really pretty blue. Like, this is just so pretty. This is so pretty. Like, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit underwhelming when you see what I got, because they gave me like such a huge box. So anywho, this is the receipt. I feel like normally the receipts are a lot bigger, but maybe because this is a smaller item. Yeah, this is the receipt. Ooh, I get to say SA. Her name is Danielle. So this is what the box looks like. And because it is the holiday, the ribbon, so usually the ribbon is a blue ribbon, and I'm actually a little bit, just like the slightest bit disappointed that it's not the blue ribbon. But because it is holiday, they have the red ribbon. And I also don't want to undo it, so I'm gonna shimmy this one off too. Just have the box. Oh, okay, and I forgot, this is a drawer pull box, so just pull it out like this. Hopefully that sound wasn't annoying. And then it comes in its own little mini dust bag. And I got the 6-ring card holder. This is in the Damier Ebene print, and it's got the rose ballerine button and interior. So this is what the inside looks like. This is my first Damier Ebene canvas, my first Damier Ebene piece. I am torn about the button. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole like matte clear nail polish hack, or if I want to just kind of see what happens. But yes, the inside is this beautiful rose ballerine pink color, and as you can see, it's got this little pocket. I'm sure you guys have seen hundreds of reviews of this. It just says coated fabric cowhide leather lining, and I guess the barcode, I don't know. I cannot wait to use this. So this really won't be like a review or anything. I really just wanted to show you guys what I got. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just really excited to use this. It's just so cute. Like, I cannot wait to use this. I'm so excited that I got this. I'm so grateful that I got this. Like, I never thought I would purchase anything luxury, so just the fact that I was able to just get this, I feel like accomplished. Every girl needs her first Louis Vuitton purchase. Okay, so I also got something else. I feel so silly like making this like it's an actual item. But my SA also gave me a little bitty perfume sample. So it just, it's in, I was gonna say it's in France. It's in French, so I really have no clue how to say it. But basically, so she went to go box my item up. Again, I had never purchased anything from Louis Vuitton, so I was just kind of like twiddling my thumbs. I was kind of looking around, and then I remembered that when I saw these unboxes on YouTube, a lot of people were getting fragrance samples. So I didn't know whether or not there was one in my bag, but as I was filling out my information, I just asked her, I said, hey, so, you know, the fragrance samples, is that just when you purchase online, or could you get that in the store? And she was like, oh yeah, let me go ahead and grab you some. So she went to the back, and then she came back and she said that she could only find one. But anyways, beggars can't be choosers, right? So I did want to just see what this smells like. But yeah, I mean, y'all, again, I'm all for just asking. Like, do your research and then ask. Because, I mean, really all she could have done was say no, and then, okay. But now I have a little Louis Vuitton fragrance. Ooh, and it comes with a little, it's like it's an actual spray. It's not like a roller ball or where you like dab it on. Ooh. Okay, let me, why am I nervous? Y'all, I'm so weird. Okay. That was like the weakest spray ever. Okay, I don't know if that's like my, I don't know, it's really perfumey. It's really like, it's super floral. It's really sweet. It's almost a little bit too sweet for me. I don't know. I mean, it smells good. It's just like, I don't know if I would actually purchase it, but it's a good thing because I got a sample. All right, guys, so that is everything from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.